Okay, so today I'm going to show you something. This video is for the people who have numbing issue with hands. When you're cooking with electrical and your hand goes numb, okay? This is for the people who hands go numbs only. Here's the reason why, and here's how you solve it. The reason why is that when you put your hand on here, you're actually absorbing the electrical or electrical-magnetic, what they abbreviate as EMF. And sometimes the industry, the medical community industry, coin the term as EMF sensitivity or EMF sickness. As I stated in my other videos, there is no such thing. The only thing is that you are absorbing it into your body. And during that time, you have too much radiation. How to solve that? There is a video right up here. I call it the Wonder Bracelet. Okay? Make that when you go cooking and stuff. Okay? And all you do is just wear it. Just like what I'm doing right now. Okay? I'm just frying some pork chop. And my hand goes numb. So I put them on. And this is what would help me to take it out. That's all there is. Okay? And I will be the first person in the world to solve this problem with this right here. And if you are one of those people, you know exactly what I am talking about right now. And if your hand goes numb during cooking, anything to do with electrical, all you need is this bracelet right here. Okay? So if your hand goes numb during cooking, or in my case, frying, all you have to do is make this bracelet and wear it. And I'll leave the link right up here for you. And you were able to solve that. Okay? And this is the first video in the world to solve this problem. And there are many people who experience this as well. Okay? So other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.